Hi everyone, did you know you can use two applications on the same screen? I guess not. Yes, that's what we call split screen. And of course, I'm going to show you how you can set up split screen so you can use two applications on the same screen at the same time. That means you can be using WhatsApp up here, or it has you on Facebook or any other application down here. Yes, I'm going to show you, but please, before you continue, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Tech Star. Like this video and then turn on the notification so you don't miss out when I drop a new fresh video. Also, let me show you how it's done in just a few simple taps. So set up a split screen. It's simple. What we do here is we shall be using the smart panel. I guess you know what the smart panel is. The smart panel is this small slider tab. You can put it on the left one, but that's a slider tab at the side. It's what we call the smart panel. If you don't know how to set up or to turn the smart panel on, I'm going to show you. You get that? So what we do here is to activate split screen. Just come over to the application that you want to use. Let us say WhatsApp, and then when you open WhatsApp, you come to the smart panel. And in the smart panel, you open that other application that you want to use on the same screen that you want to use in split screen. Let us say Facebook. And then when I come to the smart panel, I'll tap on Facebook, hold on it, and then drag it to where I want it. I can put it up or down. You get that? Yes. And that is so. After dragging it, it will come down or up depending on where I've put it. And then that means I can use two applications on the same screen. You get that? And then you're seeing this divider, the middle divider. You can slide it to increase on the on the size of the screen that you want to use on the up application or down application. You can slide it up or down depending on how you want to use it, and then you get it. Yes, or you can put it in the middle depending on your preferences. So that's how we set up screen. And let me show you how we can set up smart panel. Yes, remember to use split screen, you have to set up smart panel. So to set up smart panel, it is simple. Just come up settings, head over to settings, and then in settings, search for special functions. In settings, just search for special functions. So in setting, just go to setting and then search for special functions. Remember, we want to turn on the smart panel in case your smart panel is not turned on. You get that? So when you search for special functions, you'll see here we have dynamic port, floating windows, split screen, smart panel, outdoor, whatever. So in this case, we want the smart panel. And then when you open the smart panel, you turn on. And if it is off, turn it on. And then you want to view the recent files in the smart panel, turn it on. Smart hub, turn it on. And then vibration switch, that one you can leave it off. And then these other buttons, turn them on. So after turning your smart panel button on, remember you're saying up, you see here, check over here. That's where my smart panel tab is. When I turn it on, let me check over there. When I turn my smart panel tab on, you see it is there. Yes, my smart panel tab, it is over here. Yes, that's where it is. And then after turning this on, yes, you can edit the smart tab. So just slide it, push it, slide it to the left in case it is on the left. If it's on the right, push it the other side. And then when you open the smart panel, move down, tap edit. That means tap edit. So you add on those applications, that you will be using in split screen. So check those applications. But remember, there are applications that are not eligible to use in split screen. Remember, not every application that is applicable. So those applications that cannot be used in split screen, we shall be using a floating window. To use two applications on the same screen, yes, there is another module called the floating window module. This is the split screen, and the other one is this. You can use the floating window. because there are other applications that you cannot use on the split screen, like TikTok. You cannot use TikTok in floating in split screen. It is not supported. So, but we can still use it with. You can use two different applications on the same screen with the TikTok on. You get, but we not. But for that case, we don't use the split screen. For that case, we use the floating window. Hope you get that. So after opening your smart tab, your smart panel, come and edit it, add in those application. Of course, the application that is not supposed in split screen, the system will tell that this application is not editable. And for that application, we shall use the multi-window or the floating window. You get that? We shall use the floating window mode to use it in the two different applications on the same screen. Yeah, so for split screen, that's how we do it. For the split screen module, that's how we do it. That's how we set it. Open your smart panel, move down, edit, and then add in those applications. Then you want to use those applications in split screen, just open the first application. Let us say WhatsApp. Let us say WhatsApp. And then you go to the smart panel and then look for, get that other application that you want to use. Then tap on it, hold in it, and then move it, slide it. You can move it up or down, and it will be there. So that's how we use split screen. But remember, there are other applications that cannot be used in split screen, like TikTok. You get that? So I'm going to show you how you can use TikTok with another application on the same screen. Yes, however much it's not used, it is not applicable. It's not supported in split screen. You can still use another module called the floating window module to use the application with another application on the same screen. So let me show you how that's done. So for split screen, that's how done. Now let us move to those floating window for those other applications that are not supported in split screen. So what we do is, for this case, for those applications that are not supported in the split screen, we are going to use the recent tabs menu. We are going to use the recent tabs. Let us say, on your phone, if you're using those three buttons, use the middle button. If you're using gesture, just slide in the middle. Open. Okay, let us open TikTok, and then leave it in the background. Okay, leave it in the recent open tabs. And then what you do is come over to slide up in the middle to open the recent apps tab. So in the recent apps, you see those applications that have been opened in the background, or those applications that have been opened of recent. Now to see which application is eligible for the floating window, remember we want to use another screen. We want to use two applications on the same screen, but not using split screen. We're going to use the floating window. Now to check those applications that are eligible to use in floating window, you see when you scroll up, when you open the recent apps tabs, and then you move down, there's this small screen. The small screen with a screen with a small screen. Hope you see it. Let me show you. I'm talking about this. Yes, you're seeing that tab. So whichever application has that tab, that means that application can be used in floating window. Yes, every application that has that tab, let us see. Those applications that have that tab means that application can be used in floating window. That means you can use that application on the screen with another application. You get? So let us check those applications now. Like WhatsApp is supported, Xcode is supported. You look for those applications with that symbol, that icon. You get that? So after finding those applications, let us say you want to use TikTok. Remember, TikTok is not supported in split screen, but you want to use it on the same screen with another application. So what we do is, we are now, for this case, we use the floating tab window. Open the recent apps, and then when you find that application that you want to use, tap on that icon that I've been showing you. This icon over here. Yes, you tap on it. So when you tap on that application will reduce. That means you can open another application whereas this one is still playing. And you want to increase the size of the application, whereas you want to increase the size of the application, you can just tap here and then you push it or push it down, slide it up or down in the left left bottom corner. You get that? So you tap in the left bottom corner, push it, move it up or down, move it up or down, whatever you want. So you want to move this application, maybe to put it on the side, send it up or move it down. You're going to tap here. I'm going to tap here. Let me show you. Talking about this. Tap here. You're seeing those 3 dots. That's where you tap so that you can move the application. And to increase the size or reduce the size, you tap here. You get, tap the left bottom corner of that application. You know that window, the window of TikTok. Yes, so you tap there to increase or reduce. To move it, you tap here and then you move it wherever you want. Let's see.
Mama.
Entebbe Express Highway is one of those roads which are mandated to citizens of this country.
And then as TikTok is playing in the background, you can come and open another application. Get that? So this is what I've been talking about. Use the application on the same phone. So whereas the other is playing on the same screen, you can as well be using another application. So this is what we call splitting. This is what we call floating window. Remember, applications like TikTok are not supported in split screen. That's why we are using the floating window. But of course, they all do the same thing. Yes, so that's how we do it. That's how we use 2 different applications on the same screen by using split screen or the floating window. Depends on which one you want. It's as simple as that. So that's how we do it. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Techstar. Like this video, turn notifications so you don't miss out when I drop a new fresh video. Alright, thanks for watching. Big up.